Right there.
Put this in your boat collection. I don't know where it goes, but I don't need it laying on that motor.
On top of the motor.
Yep. Aluminum heads.
Mm-hmm. Go, man. Okay, I'm gonna fall a little bit. Keep it pulled towards you.
Go ahead.
You know, kick it over some. Okay, right there. Kick it over long. Okay, right there. I want to go a little bit more.
Kick it on that side.
Kick it off the tire on that side just a little bit. All right, good. That's good, so when we go down, we're going to go that way. You know what I'm saying? Okay.
You want to guide this?
Hmm?
You want to guide this?
I'm going to lay it down something for you. So we're going to go back. I'm going to come forward.
All right, come forward.
Okay, just a little. What do you need me to do?
Come forward.
Okay.
Come on. Come forward a little bit. A little bit more. Okay, now come forward. Should go right on down in there.
You want this side in that hole, right?
Come on down.
You want me to push it over? Stop, stop. Want me to push it over?
Let me see it. Let me come towards you, though.
Huh?
Let me come towards you. Right there.
That's the hole.
Yeah, that's the hole.
Yeah,
I'm in the
he's
hole.
in the hole over there.
Okay, come on down. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Now she lies. Okay. Now that's when we need the strap. That is behind you, like, get the one we need. Just get the strap. Yeah, that's a beautiful setting in there.
Sure do. Yeah.
I like that.